Good.
Okay, so on the kidney, we're going to talk about all the parts. Here is the structure, which is the renal artery, and then right below it you have the renal vein, and then right down here you have the ureter, and then up here you have the renal pelvis, which is right in here. And then if you look up here, these are going to be minor calyces that are going to join to major calyces here. So where you have a minor callus and a minor callus, it's going to join right here in this area to make a major callus. And then you're going to have minor calluses and sinuses. So the sinuses are going to be right in here, in between. And then you also have, if you go right above it, you're going to have renal columns, which go right here in between your renal pyramids, which are right here. So you have renal pyramid, renal column, renal pyramid, renal column, and then you would have sinuses here, and then you'll have minor calluses, major calluses, renal pelvis, ureter, and then on the other parts of the layers, you'll have this part is going to be here where the pyramids are, and the columns is going to be your medulla, and then you're going to have your cortex out here on the outside edge, and then you're going to have a capsule on the outside, which is going to basically enclose the kidney and protect it. And then if you look up here, you won't be able to see all the parts, but all these little dots are going to be Bowman's capsules. And then down in here is going to be all your tubules, and your collecting duct will be right here. And then over here on the Bowman's capsule, the whole outside part is going to be the Bowman's capsule. And then you have the glomerulus in the inside. And then you have the afferent arteriole on this side, and it's going to be going in. And then you have the efferent arterioles on this side, which will be exiting. And then if you go over here, it's going to show you a blown up picture of this. And so we're going to go over all the tubules and that kind of thing. So here you have the Bowman's capsule, which is still over here. It's this whole big thing. And then inside on this one that's cut away, you'll have the glomerulus here. And then if you'll find the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule, and then you'll go and you'll look at it, you'll find proximal convoluted tubule and distal. So closer to the Bowman's capsule, you're going to have proximal convoluted tubule here, and then it's going to flow down. So this is a descending limb, and then you'll have the loop of Henle, and then you'll have the ascending limb here, and on the other side is the distal convoluted tubule prior to your collecting duct, which will be all this part right here, which goes down through here.